Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Monday CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a team member into your Monday CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin or a team member into your Monday CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and you want to add them into your Monday CRM to help track your deals. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Monday CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Monday CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an admin or a team member, there's a few different ways you can do it. The first and easiest way is up here on the top. You want to click on this little person with a plus icon. If you don't see that for some reason, you can click on your initials here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here. Invite members. Either way, it's going to bring you to the same place. Okay, once you do that, you're going to have these few options to invite somebody to be an admin in your Monday CRM. The first and easiest way is you can click right here, copy, and it's going to copy this link. And that way, anybody with the same email URL as you, they're going to be able to automatically join. So if your email is at 123homestore.com, anybody with that existing URL, so it could be John, it could be Phil, it could be Susan, anybody that has that URL will be able to join with this link just by clicking on the link. Another way you can do it is you can go ahead and send an email. So let me go ahead and just add in an email. Okay, I added an email. So this might be if you're working with some sort of an agency and they need access to your CRM. And next you want to go ahead and choose their permissions, member, admin, or viewer only. Here you can go ahead and write a message if you want, and then you want to click on invite. Okay, next you're going to see this pop up, so that invitation has been sent. So they're not going to actually be able to access my Monday CRM until they accept that invitation. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your Monday CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.